Hi friends, welcome to Excel Festive. In this video we are going to see how to use the text to column function. See here the name is given, each name having the first name and the last name. For text to column you have to go to the data tab. Under that text to column option is there, select that and make sure the delimited is selected here in this dialog box and then press next. Now see here each name is there and each name is separated by space. So now we have to select the space here. Once you selected the space here, how the output will show that how the output will come, that will be shown here. See here first name in one cell and the last name in the next cell. Next press next button and then see where in which cell the output has to come, that is asked here, the destination location. So here I am selecting this one. This cell I want the output to be reflected. Okay, so I have selected this one and after selecting the destination location, press finish. This dialog box will be open and here you can directly press OK. Once you press OK, the output will be reflected in as shown. The first name in one column and the second last name in the last column. Okay friends, this is how you have to use the text to column option. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next wonderful video.